Welcome to VW Themes. Best Premium WordPress Theme. Home for Best Professional WordPress Theme. We provide more than 120 premium WordPress theme, with expert team support. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe and share button. Today we're going to discuss on 6 Best Fitness WordPress Theme. Theme number 1, Fitness Gym WordPress Theme. Gym WordPress theme is a theme of premium level and is in great demand since its inception in the market with acclaimed reviews from the global clients. It is a preferred choice for fitness, yoga, personal trainers, health experts, boot camps, weight. Being Gutenberg ready as well as SEO friendly, it has an upper edge in the market than its competitors. Gym WordPress theme is responsive as well as multi-functions, making it a special choice for the gyms and workout centers. Has our testimonial section to gain our audience trust. This navigation menu contains blog section, with left and right sidebar. Page section with left and right sidebar. Can also provided online classes for customers so they can access workout from anywhere. And in trainer section. You will get direct access with trainer. And contact section with contact form and integrated map option. And hence this make Gym WordPress theme is responsive as well as multifunctional, making it a special choice for the gyms, fitness centers, yoga classes. Now theme number 2, Wellness Pro WordPress Theme. Wellness WordPress theme has great potential for representing the different services that relate to wellness and personal well-being. It totally transforms your website into a wellness hub, where people can look for the relevant services that will help them to improve their physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Theme comes with a fluid and intuitive design that ensures a great user experience for the visitors of your site. The color scheme is simple and elegant and gives a professional look to your site. WP Wellness WordPress theme has beautiful animations that make your website feel lively, and the arrow buttons further ease the site navigation. You can create the page with sidebar, with blog section with left and right sidebar option to explore more. And contact section with contact form and integrated map option. The full width slider of this theme shows the glimpses of different wellness services offered by you. Theme number 3, Personal Trainer WordPress Theme. Capture visitors' attention and encourage them to get into their fitness attire through your website, designed with this personal trainer WordPress theme that has a bold and stylish design, clean and clutter-free layout, and robust and reliable code. It is especially designed for fitness clubs, gyms, physiotherapists, yoga classes, health consultants, nutritionists. This personal trainer theme has thoughtfully designed sections to professionally display your services and keep audience engaged for a longer period of time. In navigation menu, trainer section, provide you information about the trainers and their time schedules, and can also connect with them through social platform. Has testimonial section to gain our audience trust. This navigation menu contain blog section, with left and right sidebar. Page section with left and right sidebar. And contact section with contact form and integrated map option. And the best part about this personal trainer WordPress theme is that it does not require any previous coding knowledge to set up and handle it, relieving you from the burden of maintaining it and preventing you from diving into the complex coding world. Theme number 4, Yoga WordPress Theme. Yoga WordPress theme to give tough competition to your rivals and stand out among them. It is a perfect fit for yoga classes, fitness studios, gyms, aerobics and gymnastic classes. This yoga theme has clean and clutter-free design to create a smart website that will sort all your website building problems without taking much effort from you. You get to choose the look of your website by changing its layout from boxed to full width to full screen. This navigation menu contains page section, with left and right sidebar. Event section to organize any event related to yoga can be informed over here. Blog section with left and right sidebar, and can post any blog related to yoga and lifestyle. And contact section with contact form and integrated map option available for it. Each functionality is so vividly explained in its documentation that you will never need a professional coder to set up your website, whether you are skilled in programming languages or not. Theme number 5, Spa WordPress Theme. Spa WordPress theme is made for the luxurious wellness business. Its epic design makes it a suitable spa WordPress theme for anyone from the wellness industry. It's a theme built on the foundation of immaculate and clean coding standards with well-structured and various intricate sections. It is made to look professional, and vibrant with a cool design that can appropriately represent your business. Showcasing your business to the outside world is a task that requires being done correctly with the aid of right set of tools. This navigation menu contains blog section, with left and right sidebar. Page section with left and right sidebar. And contact section with contact form and integrated map option. Our themes aren't just good looking. They are filled with useful features and functionality that is exclusive to us. We have never had a customer walking away unhappy. Customer satisfaction takes top priority for us. Theme number 6, Fitness WordPress Theme. This premium fitness WordPress theme is a fitting choice for the people belonging to the fitness world. This premium fitness theme is a reflection of the kind of life fitness fanatics lead. We know that staying fit and healthy is not just a way of life for you, it's an obsession. We understand the obsession, we have our very own but for us. Our team comprising of core developers and designers are the real magicians behind these themes. This theme contained navigation menu contained blog section, with left and right sidebar. Page section with left and right sidebar. And contact section with contact form and integrated map option. The value of your hard-earned money is not gonna go to waste. We earn our bread by the means of satisfying our customers with our top fitness WordPress theme. And it's a wrap on our 6 best fitness WordPress theme. Want to get accesses of this theme and feel it? The link is given below in description. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe and share on this video.